Let's see this question. So we have x plus 5 raised by 3 minus x minus 2 raised by 3 equals 154. And then we're asked to evaluate this. So x plus 5 times 2 minus x. So x plus 5 is one of this expression here. But the 2 minus x is not there. But 2 minus x is a negative x minus 2. Right? So if we switch this one, because x minus 2 raised by 3, x minus 2 raised by 3 is a negative of 2 minus x. So if we factor out that, so we could rewrite this as plus 2 minus x. Okay, so it's the same. Okay, so we let a equals x plus 5 and b equals 2 minus x. So we want to use a substitution, right? So once we get the value of a and b, then we can substitute back to x. So why we want to do that? Because if we add a and b, so when we add a and b, we get rid of x. We have 7. So we have x minus x, that's 0. So 5 plus 2, that's 7. So a plus b equals 7 will help us a lot. Right? As I rewrite those, this is just a cubed plus b cubed, because here we can switch as plus 2 minus x. Right? So this is a cubed plus b cubed. So the sum of 2 cubes equals 154. So because we're looking for a times b, you see here, because we call this a, we call this b. So we're looking for a times b. So this in our substitution is just a times b. That's our goal. We want to use these conditions. We want to use the condition of a plus b equals 7 and a cubed plus b cubed equals 154. So how are we able to use that? If we raise a plus b to cube, so we get a cubed plus b cubed, and the middle two terms we have 3a squared b and 3ab squared. Well, a plus b is 7, so 7 raised by 3. Right, and a cubed plus b cubed is 154. So I'm left with those two terms. And those two terms have a common factor of 3ab. So we can factor out 3ab, then we're left with a plus b. And again, a plus b is 7. So, but on the other side, we have 7 cubed, which is 343. And move 154 to the left-hand side, that becomes subtraction. So 343 minus 154, we get 189. Then we divide by 3 on both sides, so 63 equals 7ab, right? Because this a plus b is a 7. 189 divided by 3, that is 63. Then 7 times 9 is 63. So a times b equals to 63. So the answer for this is equals to 9. So we see, substitution helps in solving problems a lot.